Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. We are still in Ghana and today we are making tiger nut milk that can last long. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy drink. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's cook together. For ingredients, we'll be needing our tiger nuts. The tiger nuts, I soak it for 3 days, but every other day you need to change the water. Coconut, ginger, and dates, and water. You really need still water for this milk. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our tiger nut milk. We start with our coconut. Then we'll go ahead and add our tiger nut. I'll go ahead and add my ginger, and then I'll add my dates. The date has seeds, so I have to remove the seed from the date. But if they are seedless, then you just go ahead and add them straight away to your blender. The amount of dates depends on how sweet you want your milk, your tiger nut milk. If you want it more sweet, you add more dates. What is the another name for dates? I only know of dates, but I know they have a lot of name for it. So if there is any other name you call in your country, wherever you are watching me from, please let me know. I'll start by tossing it so that it can break into little pieces before we blend it. Our tiger nut milk is ready, so guys, we are going to strain it. Look at this goodies here. Look at these goodies here, guys. Tiger nut milk is ready, guys. Look at how creamy, delicious it looks. Guys, look at this. It tastes so refreshing and delicious. When you add some ice cubes to this, on a sunny afternoon, So guys, this we are not going to throw it away. I'm going to use it in another video to make oat biscuits, tiger nut coconut oat biscuits. So look out for this video soon on the channel. So nothing is wasting this kitchen, because this is full with fiber, guys. So you don't have to throw it. You can use it. Guys, our tiger nut milk is ready. So we are serving it on the rock of ice, guys. On the rock of ice. Guys, let's serve. Look at this. Whoa. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. You can also check on my tiger nut drink or mug also I made with fruits. You can check that video also on the channel. Look at this. It looks so yummy. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, also refreshing tiger nut milk that can last for days or weeks. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye. Do a kiss.